It's time to assemble your outdoor farm stand. Start by choosing a sunny outdoor spot where you have easy access to power. First, set up your pump. Flip the dial on the lower back of the pump toward the plus sign to make sure the opening is in the correct position. Note that your pump may look slightly different. Attach the suction cups into the holes at the bottom of the pump. Then screw the pump fitting into place. Next, connect the smallest pipe to the pump fitting. Attach a coupler, then add another pipe on top. Make sure to push the pipe all the way in so it's secure. Now press the pump firmly into the center of the tank to lock the suction cups in place. Next, pull the power supply cord through the gasket, leaving enough slack so it forms a J shape in the tank. Thread the pump cord through the hole in the gasket, then press the gasket firmly into place. Now let's assemble your growing levels. Place the first level over the pipe and twist to lock it. Make sure the circle icon lines up with the open lock icon. Then twist the level all the way until it lines up with the locked icon. Repeat this step for all additional levels. Place the water diffuser onto the pipe, then turn the lid clockwise to lock it in place. Now fill your farm stand tank until it's about 2/3 full. Next, add your nutrients. Add 4 scoops each of nutrient A and nutrient B to separate jars of warm water. Shake until fully dissolved, then add both mixtures to your tank. Now let's set up your timer. Plug your farm stand into your outdoor smart timer. Then plug your timer into your home outlet. Open the Let Us Grow app, go to the home screen, and scroll down to find your farm stand. Tap Connect a Smart Timer and follow the on-screen instructions to link your account. Prefer to pair manually? Press and hold the button on your timer for about 15 seconds until you hear a click and see a blinking blue light. Use the app or the manual controls to run a pump test and mix your tank before testing and adjusting the pH. Now let's check your water's pH. Use the pipette to collect 5 milliliters of water from your tank. Add 5 drops of test solution, cap the bottle, and give it a good shake. Compare the color to the chart included in your pH test kit. The ideal range is between 5.5 and 6.5. If your pH is above 6.5, add 10 milliliters of liquid pH down using the pipette. You're ready to start growing. Plant your seedlings as soon as they arrive by placing them into the grow cups. Then insert them into the farm stand levels according to the labels on the clamshell. If you ever need help, we're here for you.